What's up friends, Andrew here. In this video I'm going to show you how to play Blade Ball in Roblox. Once you're inside the Roblox account, simply go ahead and use a search to type in Blade Ball and you will see the Blade Ball in experience. Click on that guys and you will be able to see this right here on the left hand side. As you can see, there's a play button. Click on that, you will be able to open it. Before we jump in guys, would you mind take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button, because this will let me know that you found value within this video. And on top of that, the biggest benefit is that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Now let's continue. Roblox game client. Now if you haven't got it on your PC, it will ask you to download and install it so that you can have it on your computer right there. I'm going to open that right here and you will see in a moment that it just pops right up and allow me to play Roblox. And from there you will be able to quickly go ahead and play it. Right now it's currently loading up, so just need to wait a second. And there you have it guys. I have Blade Ball ready to play on my piece. Look at all those different characters there, guys, right? So this is basically it guys. If you want to go ahead and play Blade Ball, that's basically it. Very easy and very simple guys. Here you have it guys. I really hope you found value within this video, and if you do, don't forget to take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.